In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Audi RS4 key fob. This is a very easy process. It will just take you a few minutes. The only thing you'll need is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032 coin battery. You'll only need one of those, and you can get them online for a great price. If you're interested, go check out the first link down in the description, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a low price. So to get started, we want to find the two buttons down here on the bottom metal part of the key fob. Hold both of those down and pull to remove the internal key. Under there, we have two more buttons that we will hold down and pull. Pull and wiggle, and once you feel this piece starting to come out, you can just pull on the bottom. There we go. Flip it over. We have our battery right there, which we can simply remove with our fingers. And now we can dispose of the old battery, take the new 2032, and when we're putting it in, we want the positive side facing down. Just set that in, positive side down. And now when you're ready to put this back inside, if the buttons are facing up, the battery should be facing down, and we'll just slide that into place, click it all the way down, and put the key on top. And that is it. That's all we need to do. It's a very easy process. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come on back to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.